You don't have to struggle financially anymore. You don't have to live paycheck to paycheck anymore. You don't have to work a 9 to 5 that you freaking hate. You can take control of your life and literally live your dream life. If you don't know me, my name's Emily. I'm 22 years old. I'm a stay-at-home mama to a 2-year-old. And guys, I started online digital marketing 9 months ago. I bring in a full-time income right off my phone, which allows me to spend precious time with my daughter that I will never forget. I don't have to sacrifice my time for money anymore. I get to help out financially while doing the things that I love, which is being a mom. So if you want to learn how to do online digital marketing, guys, I have an amazing course that you can learn about, SWC. If you go to the link in my bio, you will see that there's an opportunity call that you can grab for free. Watch it, learn more, and if you have any questions, please let me know. And if you need help with accessing my website, comment me down below.